Welcome to the channel. Here is a picture of a laptop's touchpad. As you can see, if your touchpad is not working, in this video I will show you what to do to get that fixed. So sit back and let's do this together. What you have to do, you should go to this search bar and type touchpad. I can use my screen keyboard. I prefer that. So when I click on the Windows icon, that will come up. I will just go ahead and type touchpad. So you don't have to type the whole word, just touch is enough, and you will see the touchpad up here. Then click on this touchpad settings and scroll down to additional settings. When you are here, go for device settings, and under devices you can see that it is enabled. Under enabled, you will see yes, touchpad is enabled. In your own case, it might not be enabled. So let's assume that it's disabled. Let me go ahead and do that. Disable, okay, apply, okay. So let me go ahead, additional settings. Then as you can see, in my own case, it's disabled and it doesn't work right now. So for me to get that fixed, you have to go click on enable, then go for apply, then go for okay, and that is functioning right now, as you can see. But if this does not work for you, let's assume that under the additional settings that it is enabled. There's one more thing you can do to get that fixed. Going to the device manager. Let me close this because we are all set to go. So click to apply, okay, to apply. Then go back to your search bar again and type device manager. Device manager, as you can see, just click on that. That will take you to where we are right now. So go for under mice and other pointing devices, go collapse that, and you will see your touchpad. Right click on that and go for update driver, and then go click on search automatically for drivers and follow the next step and get it resolved. So thank you for watching and God bless you.